What if you could turn the tables on a man who ignores you, drifts away, and only comes back when it suits him? Imagine giving him the wake-up call of his life by tapping into his deepest weakness, flipping the script so he's the one chasing you instead of you waiting around. Let's be real, when he feels like you're a sure thing, he gets lazy, ignores you, and assumes you'll always be there. But here's the secret very few women know: every man who pulls away has a hidden vulnerability. Most women miss it, ending up begging for his attention or dropping hints on social media, hoping he'll notice. Spoiler alert, that rarely works. But starting today, you're joining an elite group of women who know exactly how to make him regret ignoring you. In this video, we're revealing the 5 sensitive weak spots of a man who pulls away and showing you how to use them to make him come running back, full of regret. Ready to take control and stop chasing? Let's dive into this game changer. First up, his weakness is your attention. When you're always available, texting good morning, watching his stories, liking his posts, he feels safe ignoring you. Why? Because he's convinced you'll wait forever. That's his vulnerability, and it flips when you pull back. Stop being his constant cheerleader. No more sweet messages, no more reacting to his updates, just focus on yourself. Suddenly, he's left wondering, where'd she go? That security he had? Gone. That uncertainty? It's his kryptonite. Give him a taste of his own medicine, and soon he'll be the one checking your stories, liking your posts, practically shouting, "Hey, I'm still here." His need for your attention becomes his downfall, and you're the one in power. Next, his confidence feeds off your insecurity. When you act like you can't live without him, like he's the best you'll ever get, he smells that fear and thrives on it. It's why he thinks he can ghost you and still have you waiting. But here's the twist: build your own self-love and unshakable confidence, and his whole game crumbles. Stop chasing a man who knows where to find you. When you radiate strength and stop begging for his crumbs, his smug certainty fades. He'll realize he can't just waltz back in whenever he feels like it. Your newfound security? It's his weakness exposed. Watch him squirm as he sees you thriving without him. Before we hit the third weak spot, quick favor: if you're loving this relationship advice for women, drop a like, it means the world to us. Comment below, where are you watching from? Ever felt ignored by a guy? Stick around, because we're about to share how to get him back and make him terrified of losing you. Let's keep going. The third weakness: he thinks he's the center of your universe. When a man ignores you, he's betting he's the only guy who matters in your life, like he's the last man standing. Some women feed into this by shutting out the world, obsessing over him. Want to shatter that illusion? Reconnect with the people who lift you up: friends, family, anyone you sidelined while chasing him. Open your world. Meet new people. Expand your circle. It's not about dating others, though that's fine too. It's about showing him your life doesn't stop when he walks away. He's not your everything, and when he sees that, his one and only fantasy collapses. Fourth, he thrives on your neediness. Whether it's emotional support or something else, he loves feeling like you can't survive without him. That's his power, until you take it away. Become the independent woman who doesn't need him but chooses who's worthy of her time. Build yourself up inside, find your own happiness, your own strength. When he realizes you're not clinging to him to feel whole, his ego takes a hit. He thought his presence alone was enough, but now he sees he has to step up, bring value, and prove he's worth your energy. Suddenly, ignoring you isn't so easy when he's the one craving your approval. And the big one, his most sensitive weak spot, his self-esteem. This is the golden key. When a man feels admired, wanted, and adored by you, it pumps up his ego like nothing else. He gets hooked on that high. But when you pull back, not physically, but emotionally, stop feeding that admiration, and treat him like just another guy. His world flips upside down. He's used to you building him up without effort, and now that's gone, he's desperate to get it back. That shift messes with his head, making him chase the validation he took for granted. To master this, you need the final tip I'm about to drop: stay tuned. So, how to make him regret ignoring you and value you like never before. It's all about the principle of reciprocity. If you're giving him your attention, trust, and energy, he needs to match it. Don't let him think he gets the VIP treatment for free. Stop rewarding his disinterest with your devotion. If he ignores you, give him the space he deserves, not as a priority, but as an afterthought. Focus on what builds you, your passions, your joy, your glow. He'll see a stronger, happier, more radiant you, and trust me, he'll notice you're not waiting around. He might come back, but he'll know, to earn your love, respect, and time, he has to bring the same to the table. That's when he wakes up, realizes he could lose you, and, if you're worth it to him, he won't let go. Thanks for being here, for all the love, and for joining us on this journey. You're amazing, and above all, never forget to love yourself. See you in the next one.